Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss what is minimum order quantity, maximum order quantity and order increase quantity, sometimes also known as lot size. So let's say we are in this product and we want that whenever somebody clicks on add to cart, then a minimum order quantity of 2 is added rather than just 1 by default. Then that's called the minimum order quantity. And if we want to restrict a customer not to be able to purchase more than 10 quantity for a particular item, then that is something which is maximum order quantity. And every time they press on plus, then rather than adding or increasing the quantity by 1, it should increase the quantity by 2. Now that's called the lot size. Now in order to do that, what we have to do is go into products, go into bulk import, download the Excel sheet, and after downloading the Excel sheet, this is an Excel sheet that you'd get, and then sometimes you'd find that these columns are actually hidden. You can unhide them and then put in your minimum order quantity, maximum order quantity and order increase quantity. I've put in 2, 10 and 2. So by default, whenever a person now adds in adds a particular product to the cart, then by default there'll be a 2 quantity added and they'll not be able to increase beyond 10, and every time they press on plus, then by default the order quantity will increase by 2 rather than 1. We are going to save the sheet. We are now going to go to the second step, attach that file, upload this, and once we've uploaded it, when we go back here, then if we refresh this, when we now add to cart, you'd see that by default 2 was added and that is the minimum order quantity. If I press plus, then you'd see that the order quantity is increasing by 2 every time. That is the order increase quantity, also called as the lot size. And if I keep increasing, you will see that I'll not be able to increase it beyond 10. That's called the maximum order quantity. So this is how it is done. Thank you.